Hello guys, welcome back to Geritech Interior. Thank you for the continuous support that you are still bringing towards this our channel. So thank you. Our road to 2,000 to 5,000. Please guys, if you're watching this video now, kindly subscribe, share, comment and like. So over here, this is like our 3-bedroom that we have been doing. We have been casting to you each and every day. So like you can see here, we are on like is it like 20 or 22, between 20 and 22, but you can see we are on a roofing stage, like you can see over here. So this is a 3-bedroom house. It is of a simple one, a 2-bedroom house, together with its with a sitting room, with a public toilet, one balcony and one corridor. So I'm going to let you inside, and then I show you how amazing this project that you are doing. So if you have maybe a project or something that you want to give it, you can contact us. We can do it for you as the way this our able client is doing. We are doing for him. So he just got our number on online, and then we communicated, and then like you can see, he's now happily as he always come on his construction journey tour each and every day. So guys, please make sure you are subscribed. Sorry. So over here we are now doing curing. As always, I tell you, a curing is something that is so much you must consider while you are doing curing. Curing, if you are in a layman language, I can call it putting water on our structure, but let's say we always use it, we call it curing. So this is like you can see is doing curing. We always prefer to use a water pump, so as to be easy to do that curing. So we have done everything. We have done walling from foundation, from let's say from digging, setting out. We came to blinding, we get to walling for the foundation. We came to the columns. We did the foundation slab casting. We had to come to walling. We had to come to lintel. We had to the wall above lintel. We had to come and then put this beautiful balcony entrance that you see over here. So this will be our balcony. So I'm going to let you inside. So this is our balcony, and then before I let you inside, from let's say this house, the budget up to now here we can estimate as 850. That is an estimate that this client is up to now. So 850, it will be enough up to that particular point. But if you, let's say from tomorrow, we have not yet from tomorrow, if you maybe will be adding the cost for the iron sheet, and then I will be telling you each and every time I will be showing you this house. So I will let you inside. So over here, this is the balcony, of which is of a simple one, a small one, but is enough to this spacious to fit this house. So this is a sitting window, like you can see over there, and then over here this is a bedroom, one window. So here we are going to place here a door, of which will be the one you'll be using to come towards this house. So over here, this is our sitting room, and then like you can see over there, the other door here, this is our bedroom one, or our guest bedroom. So I will let you first towards this bedroom. So before you enter this bedroom, this sitting room, you will have to be welcome with this beautiful arc that we did here. Even though now it looks like very shoddy, but trust me, when we will be done that molding work, you will see how it will be now looking. It will be so looking when we have done the molding work, we have done the painting. You'll see how it will be looking. So this bedroom, this sitting room, this particular sitting room is so much enough spacious. Like you can see, our windows are for 6 by 4 in measurements. There are 2. This is the first one, and the second one is over there. and then you may be seeing this particular thing that is over here. So this is a windowsill. The reason why we are doing this windowsill is to maybe at most particular time you will see after you have constructed your house, you'll have to find like some cracks under your window. So if you will do like, let's say ring them, not ring them, if you do a windowsill, it will help you these cracks to it will avoid some cracks to be seen at the end of your window, or at the whichever way it will control those cracking on these windows, because the window is too big. So those load the load on upper, the force that is acting towards this point is so high. So that's why we always advise to put a windowsill, so that two, and each and every room we have been putting a windowsill. Each and every window we have been putting let's say each windowsill. So this is the curing, like you can see, is being done. The roofing, like you can see, they have arranged their panel, those like you see, they have arranged those panels that are the king post. They're still ongoing. So I think if you give us, let's say, 3 days, this roofing will be done. So tomorrow they will come and finish their roofing, the placement of those like you can see, and then the other day they will become to do now to put the iron sheet. So this is the first bedroom, or you can call it like, let's say, like you can be calling it, let's say, a guest room. So this guest room is 16 by 15. This is a minimalistic house. If you want it, it is so cheap, you can do it. It don't require a lot of heavy investment to acquire such house. Like you can see, it's of 15 by 16, but it can accommodate even 3 beds. Like the way we were thinking, it can accommodate 3 beds. So maybe you can be seeing, let's say it's 15 by 16, and then you see it's too small, but it is too big. It will depend how you will arrange your beds inside here. So this is the windowsill. At each and every window we have been putting a windowsill. So that's why I've told you to avoid those crack. So on up here, and then there's another arc that will be leading towards the second bedroom, the common toilet, and the master bedroom, of which is on here. So when we are here, we have placed here a closet, like a small corridor that will be separating the main master bedroom with this bedroom and the other common toilet. This is a common toilet. Like you can see, it's so quite spacious, like you can see on the video. Even though now you cannot see how spacious is it, but if you are, maybe you want such a house, and maybe you are on the field, maybe you are in Garissa, you can come and then give you a free house tour. You can see how amazing this project is, and then you will see how spacious is it. So on this other end, this is the second bedroom, or you can call it, let's say, another, you can use it for your child or anything, whichever way you will be using, or the guest, or either children's bedroom. So is of same size, 16 by 15, very spacious, well ventilated. Like you can see, on each and every window we have been placing a ventilation. There's a discussion somewhere. There's another fundi engineer who was suggesting that nowadays there's no need to be placing the vents on the house. So there's a discussion, but for your own benefit, you must tell your engineer to put those vents on each and particular room. So there's even two windows, like you can see, the first one and the second one. So guys, if you have watched up to there, kindly subscribe, like, share, comment. I'll be so grateful if I'll be still busy, getting more referral from this particular video or other video from our YouTube channel, of which is Garitech Interior Design. Be it TikTok, if you'll be watching this video on TikTok or Facebook or YouTube, go kindly check on other platform like TikTok, YouTube, and then Facebook. Will find us, follow us, like, subscribe, share on the other platform. So here, particular this room that I'm in, this is our master bedroom. Like it's of, so this is the master bedroom. The owner, this is the only thing that the owner thanked us. We try to put this bedroom to be so big. So this is our 20 by 18. So these are quite big. These are quite big room. It is so very big, large. I wish I will have to put this thing into reality, but nowhere we are watching this video. This room is so spacious, and then it's so big, of which is of 20 by 18. So like you can see, the window sill we have already done. The windows are even placed, and then like you can see, our windows are also big, but the video you'll be seeing that it's like of small, but our video is so quite massive, and then that's so big of 16. The windows are of 6 by 4 feet in measurement, and then we'll be placing our sliding window on these particular windows. It will be so looking so modernized house. So this room, it has its own toilet. Is a master, of which is an ensuite, the same design, but this one is another. It's quite big as compared to the other one, the other room. Like you can see, it's from, let's say, where I'm standing up to that end. So you can walk in towards this toilet, and then but you are still having some space to operate here. You can, maybe somebody will be using a toilet there, and another one can be using a shower that will be placed at over here, but you will be still having a proper space left on that particular toilet. So guys, thank you for the support. Thank you for the whoever has subscribed more so from this video. I would like to thank you. And then if you're a new subscriber, I will let you thank you, and then I will never let you down. I'll be committed to be bringing to you each and particular day this incredible content. So for more information, our number is 0746289667 0746289667. Thank you. You can call it, you can WhatsApp it, everything. It's 24/7 online. And then there's this issue that I want particular to address. So if you are a new, let's say you want our services, I think this is the second time that I will be now addressing. If you want our services, please, you will have to at little bit have to have some charge fee. I'm very much disappointed on our client whenever we have completed maybe a very let's say up to extent of maybe building a house, and then they tell us we are so expensive. Guys, I always so disappointed. I also get disappointed. I'm always committed to make sure that you have the quality and the supply of material, and then at the end of the day you disappoint me. So guys, if you are a new, and then I will have to let you to just contribute to do let's say like a small fee, the commitment fee that maybe we have called you. I'm using my token, my credit, maybe of using my MBs. I will urge you to just contribute a little bit small. If you don't see, but okay, and then maybe if you come maybe and then you tell us, please help me, we can do it. But at the end of the day, if God willing, if you'll be able, just remember us. And then maybe if we'll not be able to build for you, just remember us. We as Garitech Interior, one day, one time, God, we don't know, we may be somewhere, and then we may meet with you. So guys, so if you've watched up to there, kindly consider subscribing, liking, share. That is the only thing that is the only thing that I always sing each and every day. So let's meet on the next video, of which is tomorrow, after they have done the installation of those booking posts, everything. So as to the other day, it will be remaining that only just roofing, placing of iron sheet at the top of there. I will thank you, my loyal viewers. Goodbye. Let's meet, God willing, tomorrow.